Hey everybody, it's Ben here with my monthly electric bill, which has been substantially lower ever since I installed solar panels on my garage. But of course, what time of year it is makes a big difference. I make a lot of electricity in the summer. Power company actually pays me, but this is the October electric bill, and heck, it is winter already. It was a very snowy Halloween. So let's open up the electric bill. But my guess, honestly, I have no idea what it's going to be this month, especially since there might be a change on it. Even if we don't see that change on the electric bill, we're gonna talk about it anyways. So let's open this up. This is literally my electric bill, paper bill in the mail. I have no idea what it's going to be. You're hearing it here first, same time I do. And the bottom line here is, let's see, my total charges, $17.52, but my account balance, negative $13, do not pay. So I used electricity this month. I'd owe the power company except for a credit that I already built up. But let me double check one thing here. Yep, we don't have the change yet, but I did just switch over to a time of use plan. And on the time of use plan, I would pay more for electricity during the day than I would at night. So on my next electric bill, we're gonna start doing that. But what's interesting here is on the back, even though I'm not on time of use, I can see how much energy I produced or consumed during those peak or off-peak times. So let's take a look at those numbers, and if I was on time of use this month, how would that affect it? How much would I have to pay? How much would I owe? Or potentially, how much would the power company owe me?
So to start with, we only used 20 kilowatt hours of electricity more than we produced. That's about a day's worth of electricity for us. But for that, I had to pay over $2, and yet my total bill was over $17. That's mostly flat fees and other things that don't have anything to do with how much electricity is actually used. But if we look on the back of the bill, the numbers are on-peak and off-peak consumption, and then on-peak and off-peak production. So I used 90 kilowatt hours during the peak time, and if that was at 20 cents per kilowatt hour, it would cost me $18. On the off-peak time, at 6 cents per kilowatt hour, it would cost me $17.40. So even though I used over 3 times as much electricity during the off-peak times, it would still cost me less than the electricity used in the on-peak times. So let's go to production. I produced 271 kilowatt hours of electricity during the peak times. And that electricity, if that was worth 20 cents, it'd be a whopping $54.20 worth of electricity produced. Now, nights and weekends, the off-peak time at only 6 cents per kilowatt hour times the 89 kilowatt hours I produced, be worth $5.34. But if we add all of this up, that would still be a credit of $24.14. So if I was on time of use, my total fees, taxes, etc. would be $14.48 because I didn't have to pay that $2 for electricity or the sales tax on it. But I would have earned a credit of $24.14, and if I subtract that out, that means the power company would have owed me $9.66. So on regular standard billing, I'd owe $17.52, but if I were on time of use billing, they would have owed me $9.66, and the difference between those two is $27.18. So would I take an extra $27 every month? Heck yeah, and I am going on time of use billing. So the big question now is, will this actually work? Will I be able to get the money I think I will based on this? And really the only answer is wait until next month when I open up that electric bill and we see how solar and time of use billing really do work together in the real world and what it actually comes out to. As always, I'd love it if you'd comment, subscribe, like, and share these videos, and please swing by 300mpg.org. Until next time, stay charged up.